already crying.
Of course, first of all, thanks be to God. This wouldn't be possible without Him. And my second family, thank you so much, Mike and Darwin. Thank you to my skeptic husband. You know, my skeptic. I will let my husband talk.
Yeah, so she passed it on the responsibility. By the way, thanks to May, Sharon, the Vancouver team, so for changing our life because before we just paychecks and I have a full-time job. So we didn't see each other, but now we always see each other. Thank you especially. Thank you so much to our girls team, the winning team, and the support team, Coach Gina and Coach Militar. Thank you so much for everything. So, you know the story. I'm skeptic. Thank you to my wife for not giving up and for not listening to me the first day. She listens to me the first day. We didn't meet you guys. So thank you so much for everything and for the husband or wife. But sometimes listen to your wife is they got more opportunities, right? So if you don't listen to your wife, maybe opportunity. Okay, thank you so much, and let's continue the consistency.
Yes.
Consistency, and then let's continue level up until we reach our goal.